Everyone says starting a business takes months of planning, endless coding, and a ton of money. But what if I told you I built one in just 1 hour, using nothing but AI? That's right. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used AI tools to create a complete business from scratch. From coming up with the idea, to building the website, to launching an automated marketing system, all without touching a single line of code. By the end, you'll see how easy it is to turn AI from a cool toy into your business partner. So stick around, because this might just change the way you think about work forever. So the first step was simple. I needed a business idea. Instead of brainstorming for hours, I went to ChatGPT. I typed, "Give me 5 profitable online business ideas that I can start using AI in 2025." And within seconds, it gave me a list in one click. I decided to go with the AI resume builder idea because everyone needs a good resume, and AI can make that process fast, affordable, and personal. Then I asked it to create the brand. Give me a business name, slogan, and mission statement for an AI resume builder startup. This step used to take entrepreneurs weeks. Now it's 60 seconds of typing. So for the name I picked, Smart Hire AI. For the slogan, Get hired smarter, not harder. For the mission, help job seekers land their dream job using intelligent resume design. Step 2, I needed a website. And instead of paying a web designer or coding it myself, I used Durable AI, one of the most powerful AI website builders right now. I typed, create a website for Smart Hire AI, a company that helps users build professional resumes using artificial intelligence. In literally 1 minute, Durable gave me a professional-looking website, complete with text, layout, and even a contact form. I could edit colors, swap images, and update pricing using its drag-and-drop interface. To personalize it, I went back to ChatGPT and asked, write a 3-sentence company description for Smart Hire AI's homepage. Then I pasted that right into the site. This used to take teams of people. Now one person and AI can do it before finishing their coffee. Now that the website was ready, I needed branding, a logo, colors, and social content. For the logo, I used Luca AI, typed in Smart Hire AI, selected a modern and professional style, and in seconds it gave me multiple logo designs to choose from. They asked me to choose a style that I like the most and then the color of the logo that I need to create. And in seconds, it gave me multiple logo designs to choose from. I picked what I thought is the better for the business, and then I went to Canva to add some touches. I asked ChatGPT for 10 social media post ideas to promote an AI resume builder. It wrote captions, hashtags, and even call to actions. I dropped those into Canva templates and scheduled them out for a full month, all in under 20 minutes. Imagine starting a business and already having a month's marketing content ready before lunch. That's how powerful AI is right now. Next up was automation. Because if a business can't run without you, you don't own a business. You own a job. So I connected everything using Zapier, a free tool that automates workflows. Whenever someone fills out the contact form on my website, Zapier automatically sends their info to Google Sheets, and ChatGPT writes a personalized email reply. Then I connected that to Gmail, so the message sends instantly. I even had ChatGPT write a 3-email welcome sequence for new users, with follow-ups offering free resume tips. That's how you start nurturing leads automatically. This step made me realize something. I didn't just build a website. I built a system that could bring in leads, follow up, and convert them, all powered by AI. So, after 1 hour of setup, here's what I had. A business idea, a full brand identity, a live website, automated marketing, and a scalable foundation to grow. This is the future of entrepreneurship. You don't need to hire a team or spend thousands. You just need to learn how to use AI as your business partner. And that's the real opportunity. AI isn't taking your job. It's giving you tools to build something better. If this video inspired you, I've got something special. In my next video, I'll show you how to use one of the tools step by step. So make sure you hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out my other video. 5 AI tools that can make you $100 a day online. This is Profit with AI, helping you work smarter, earn faster, and build the future you deserve. I'll see you in the next one.